हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम ज्योमेट्री इस कॉन्सेप्ट को जानेंगे अच्छी तरह से। बहुत ही इजी है ज्योमेट्री। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। इसे क्या कहते हैं आपको पता है? इसे कहते हैं डॉट। इसको डॉट कहते हैं, मगर ज्योमेट्री में इस डॉट को हम कहते हैं पॉइंट। So a dot is represented as a point. So we represent this point as capital letters like A, B, C, D and so on. So we represent point with capital letters A, B, C, D and so on. Geometry में आपको कौन से नए वर्ड सुनने को मिल जाएंगे? वो है point, जो कि अभी मैंने डिस्कस किया है, लाइन, लाइन segment, ray, plane shapes। इसके बारे में मैंने एक वीडियो भी बनाया है, इसकी लिंक भी मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी, आप चाहे तो उसको भी चेकआउट कर लो। दूसरा वर्ड है जो कि नया आपको देखने को मिल जाएगा इस कॉन्सेप्ट में, वो है सॉलिड्स और सिमेट्री। सो ये सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स आप ज्योमेट्री चैप्टर में देखने को मिल जाएगा। मैं अभी बता रही हूँ कि आपको ज्योमेट्री बेसिक्स। तो पहला है पॉइंट। ज्योमेट्री में ये डॉट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड एज ए पॉइंट एंड वी रिप्रेजेंट इट एज A, B, C, D, capital letters, so and so on. So this point shows an exact location. So it has no length, it has no breadth or depth. A point has no length, no breadth or depth. ऐसा represent कर सकते हैं A point and B point, C point, D point. So here A, B, C and D are points. दूसरा है लाइन सेगमेंट। इन दोनों के बारे में मैं डिफरेंसेस भी बता दूंगी, क्या इसमें डिफरेंस है, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द लाइन सेगमेंट एंड लाइन। चलिए जानते हैं। तो लाइन सेगमेंट, सो फॉर एग्जांपल मैं यहाँ पे एक A to B एक मैंने लाइन बनाऊंगी फ्रॉम A to B। ये द पाथ फ्रॉम A to B, इट विल बी इन दिस वे, वी कैन गो फ्रॉम इन दिस वे, वी कैन गो इन दिस वे ऑल्सो, राइट? Here what is the shortest path? A to B, the straight line is the shortest path. Yes or right? Yes, the shortest path is a straight line, right? So we can draw a line segment. देखो मेरे पास ruler है, right? So a point A to point B. So we can draw a line segment from point A to point B, which is shown here with a ruler. By using a ruler, we can draw a line. Put your ruler in such a way that one of its edges touches the both points. Now, see, I put here from A to and B. I'm sorry, I'll show you again here from point A to point B. It's like so, A to B. See? Now you move the pencil from A to B along the edge of the ruler. Okay, from A to B. So the shortest path from A to B, it is a line segment. Here the shortest path is from A to B is the straight line. This is the straight line. So it is the shortest path. The shortest path from A to B is a line segment. So a line segment has two endpoints, that is A and B. So this is an endpoint and this is an endpoint. Okay, I'll show you a few more examples. I'll draw some figures here. So this is one figure, A, B, C and D. So this is first figure, right? And this is the second figure, like okay, right, like this, A, B, C, D, and this is one type of figure. Just put like this. Okay, so whenever two line segments meet, they meet at a point. can see these following figures. So in the first figure, the line segment C to D, CD and AB are meeting at a point A. They are meeting in the common point A. In the second figure, line segments AB, CD are meeting at the point P. In the third figure, line segments AB and BC, they are meeting at a point B. Now coming to the next concept, that is line. So the difference between the line segment and line, what is the difference? I'll just show you. So a line is different from a line segment. I just draw a small simple example. I'll just show you. This is a point A and point B. So in line segment you have endpoints, but in line you don't have endpoints. So a line goes on forever in both directions. Okay, the picture here which I drawn by putting arrowheads at both ends. So these arrowheads at the ends tell us that it goes on and on in both the directions. It goes on and on in both the directions. So a line segment is a part of a line. It is a part of a line. So the other concept is a ray. We'll just see. Ray. If I can go for so this is a sun. The rays of the sun. This is a sun, right? So think of these rays of the sun. Do they have any starting point? Yes, exactly. They have the starting point. So this is the starting point. And then goes on in one direction. Right? Like this. If I can show in a line, so it will be like this. So it goes on in directions. So it has an end point. The sun ray. So it has an end point. For this line, it has the sun is the end point. For this line also, the end point is the same. So it have the starting point and they go on and on in one direction. So what is a ray means? A straight arrow that has no fixed length. It does not have any fixed length. Straight arrow that has no fixed length but goes on and on away from its initial point without coming to an end is called ray. Okay, a ray has one starting point, which is initial point, and this point is called its vertex. In plural, you can also say that vertices. The another word for this vertex is corner. Regarding this, you get to know better in the plane shapes concept. Okay. So this initial point is vertex. To name a ray, first name its end point. To name a ray, first name its end point, then name any other point on the ray. So I am using the word here initial point. What is the initial point? Initial point means starting point. I'll just give you some more examples by drawing some lines. So for example, the starting point is here A and this is B. It goes on in one direction, right? Here another one more example I just give you. So this is B and here it is A and this goes on in reverse direction, right? See, in the first figure, the starting point, the initial point is A, right? So in the second, this is AB ray, and here in the second figure, the initial point is here. This is B. This is BA ray, and here the symbol of the ray is like this. Okay, AB is not same as BA because their directions and initial points are different. Okay, AB and BA in these two figures, they are not same. Why? Because these two rays are not same because their initial points are different. Now how to measure the length of a line segment? Let's see. For example, here if I take a point A, if I draw a line here up to, I just extend it up to here, point B. Now I just want to measure this. Take a ruler. Okay. The 0 mark on the scale is at 1 point. Okay. And now we read the mark on the scale which is on the other end. See, it stopped at, so 0 to, you can mark 7. So it's 0 to 7. Okay. So we say that the length of this line segment AB is 7 centimeter. Centimeter are the units. Okay. Now here we have measured the length of a line segment. Now how to draw a line segment for a given length? For example, the length is 5 centimeter. We have to draw a line segment. Just place this ruler on a paper and hold it like this, which I have shown here. Mark 2 points. Let it be A and B. Okay. A, see, from 0 to initial point to here we have given 5 to here B. Just mark A and B. Now pressing the scale evenly, join these 2 points A and B with a pencil or a pen. So the line segment AB drawn is the required line centimeter of the length 5 centimeter. Here you have to remember one more thing is, if instead of joining the points against the mark from 0 to 5, here is that, no? You had joined them against the marks 1 to 6 or 2 to 7 or 5 to 10. You would have still drawn a line segment of 5 centimeter long. Right? Right? So how to draw a line segment, how to measure a line segment, how to measure the length of the line segment and how to draw a line segment of a given length we had discussed right now. Coming to the other concept, that is plane shapes. Till now we discussed a line segment, a ray, how to measure the length of the line segment, how to draw a line segment of a given length. Now we are going to discuss plane shapes.